Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to watch this cash money breakdown for paycheck number 2 for the month of November. So we are going to cash stuff some envelopes, not all. I'm just doing videos to hold myself accountable for what I've been spending and things like that, and to make sure that my money is actually going to paying off my bills and things like that, and I'm not trying to get all crazy and spending money where money should not be being spent, because it can happen. So I definitely are trying to get my stuff together, and I'm hoping to continue to work through my budget for December and going into the new year with a clean slate on knowing how I want my budget to go. So I am working on that as well. And guys, I'm going to be trying to do Vlogmas, but I will be doing Vlogmas on my other channel. It will be linked in the description below if you guys are interested. I am in New York City, and I will be showing you guys some New York City things, And let's get right into this video. So I am breaking down $301, and that's what I took out the bank. So I have 100 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 101. So let's see how, I'm just gonna move this to the side. Let's see what's going to be happening with this $301. So this is paycheck 2, $850. So I transferred over my rent, which is $342. I transferred over $100, which is my cell phone. Canva, I already paid for it with this paycheck, which is $12.95. Apple credit card is $74, which the other paycheck I put in $66. That one was paid already. MTA is going to get $66. What's left is $255.05. 5 cents went into savings. Groceries is going to get $150, which some of that groceries already came out. I already went to the supermarket. Households, $25. For this one here, I already went to buy curtains for my bathroom, my Christmas curtains. You guys will see that in my vlogs. If you go over to Sabrina Family Vlogs, you guys will see that I am going to try to do some Christmas things. And then pet is going to get 30. Extra is going to get 30. So it was supposed to be 50, but I took out 20 because I took out 20 out from cell phone and rent. I don't have no clue for what. So for extra, I just took out the 20 and placed it back over there. So that's $250. So I have a mess here, guys. I wish you guys can see this damn mess I have here. So $594.95 plus $255.05. So that is a zero-based budget. And I'm going to move this over here so I can know where I'm placing my money at. All right, so groceries is getting $150, 40, and 50. Because I have nothing in groceries. Thanksgiving, really, I got to get prepared for Thanksgiving for next year, God willing, And household is going to get 25. I ain't getting nothing. I spent all my money. This is for, matter of fact, let me do my transportation, my MTA, which they're planning on taking away the unlimited, which the unlimited is very, very helpful. So 20, 40, 60, 65, 66. So now I have my, I'm sorry it's a little dark over here. So now I have my MetroCard money, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. So I have that. So what I do is I pay for it with one of my credit cards, which I don't know why I do that, but just so I can gain rewards, which I don't understand because I owe money on that credit card. So dumb me is buying the Metro cards and then paying it off so I could get the rewards, but the rewards is going right back into the payments. Oh, you guys I think kind of get it. It's a dumb move, but yeah, that's what I've been doing. So Pet is going to get 30. Still don't understand why he has $1 in there. 20, 25, 30, which I have to go and buy him some food. I need to definitely make some changes. Oh, look, guys, I have $80 here left over and extra because the rest of the money I used for food. So I'm going to leave this here, which I am going to use this money for something. And I don't know if it's going to be for Christmas or it's going to be to make a payment towards Chase. But Chase has been doing really good. I've been putting money on the side, like off camera. So 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 is going into extra. So that completes my cash stuffing. I just wanted to show you guys I am Christmas shopping, but I am using I've been using my side money to be like I've been adding money to this off camera, and I've been using the money to actually go Christmas shopping because these are one of my goals to get my holiday envelopes up for 2024. That's definitely one of my goals, is to actually do that, because I feel like this year I was way better than last year. That I can guarantee you. So every year looks like it gets better because I keep noticing that I'm doing 10 steps back, and that's my fault. But I'm gonna get it together. I'm definitely gonna get it together. So like I said, if you guys are interested in family vlogs and Vlogmas, you guys could go over and click the link below to my family channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing everyone in my next video.